The only thing we don't have is tomatoes, and we're not gonna get them. Good morning, America and any other country watching. Today we are about to make Rotel dip sauce, whatever you want to call it. I've been seeing this on TikTok like over and over and over again. That's Nala. I'm at my cousin's house. Say hi.
Hey, what's going on? What's you on TikTok?
No, sis, YouTube. YouTube. Okay. What's your name? You guys have seen him before.
Oh yeah, you've seen me before. I'm shy. What's going on here?
And we're about to make Rotel dip, so let's get started. So we didn't thaw out the meat. It's been frozen. So now we have to figure this out because I'm hungry.
Yeah.
9 minutes, okay. Define. The meat did not de-thaw or thaw out in the microwave.
Hard.
So we looked up a video that if you heat up water, put it in a bag, and then put it in there for a few minutes, it will de-thaw properly. So right now we're breaking the meat up. It's too cold.
It's cold as hell.
We're breaking the meat cold as hell, lol. We're breaking the meat up, and then we're going to put it in a bag, put it in the pots, and just hope that this works out the right way. My shop doesn't have any plastic bags.
Are you joking?
So we're using this is so unsanitary. Guys, I'm sorry. Don't do this at home. So we're using a grocery bag. It works the same if you tie it up the right way. We put the meat back in the microwave because it actually is thawing out. We just kind of had to break it up a little bit, and it is thawing out in the microwave. My shot is about to take a seat and be a backseat cooker. But
as I should.
These are our ingredients. This is the Velveeta cheese. We have cream cheese, the taco seasoning. Nala wants something to eat. And we have corn because we didn't get bell peppers or the Rotel tomatoes, even though the Rotel dip is based off the Rotel tomatoes, but someone didn't want to use tomatoes. So here's the cheese, and the only vegetables we're going to add is corn to substitute for the tomatoes and onions that we're going to cut in a second. Now we're seasoning the meat. We're using shredded cheese as well as the Velveeta. We cut the cheese, the meat has been seasoned, and now it's in the pot.
And it's smelling so good.
And we didn't use all the meat, so hopefully we don't regret using all the cheese. Seeing more videos on TikTok of people making Rotel dip. I'm realizing how important the tomatoes are. Most of the tomato jars that say Rotel on them have the Rotel recipe on them. That's what I keep seeing. And that's the one thing that we chose not to get because we don't really like tomatoes like that. So hopefully this comes out right. The meat has been cooked. Marshad is cutting the onion. And the cheese is ready. Can you see it? It's right there. It's hiding. And the cream cheese is on the counter, and we were gonna put corn in it, but we're not gonna put corn in it anymore. So hopefully this comes out right. Put in the cheese, cream cheese, Velveeta cheese, and then cheddar and provolone shredded cheese. We're making half of everything. Like we only use half the cream cheese, half the Velveeta, because there's only 2 of us, and we didn't even use, the main reason is because we didn't feel like thawing out all the meat. So we only thought I have the meat, so everything is put in half. And I don't know, it's coming out good, but
I think we need to add more cheese.
we actually are adding all the Velveeta. We're making it all pretty and adding herbs. We don't have any bell peppers, so we're adding parsley. We don't have any tomatoes, so we're adding some cayenne pepper. We're gonna get that color in there one way or another, guys. Guys, we found salsa. This is like a life hack, so you don't have to like chop up tomatoes and green bell peppers and anything. We found salsa. We're gonna add it in here. We're gonna add it in here. The only thing we don't have is tomatoes, and we're not gonna get them. Because we tasted it without the salt, tomatoes and stuff, and it just feels like it's missing something. And we're like, it's probably missing the tomatoes that are supposed to be in here. So we're gonna add salsa.
All right.
It's done.
Period.
The chip broke because it's so thick. Maybe we didn't add enough cream cheese or something. I feel like the recipes that I saw like on TikTok and YouTube and stuff, the stuff is like lighter. And this one's really yellow. What do you guys think? My cousin has a ring light. I need one of these. I like box lights better, honestly. Okay, guys. These are the chips. They have queso in them. And then this is the dip.
You gonna pick it up?
I'm gonna try to.
Yeah, it's real flimsy. But yes.
Wait, this is a thumbnail.
This was like so extra for us to get these with queso in it. Like this was not gonna be a thing filled with queso.
We have to do a taste test.
Okay, hold on. Let me
try
it. I did not try this at all yet.
We would like a little bit more seasoning in it, so.
Okay. I'm actually kind of scared. I don't like cheese like that.
Okay.
It's too much cheese. This cheese is thick as
I don't think we put enough milk in it. Or heavy cream or cream cheese or whatever.
I just think we need to put regular milk in here.
It's too late now. Did you even use all, you put it all in here?
All what?
All this dip in here, in this thing? All of it? All fit here? We should give some to the dog. The dog, when we were making it, the dog was like sitting in the kitchen begging for us to feed her. And Rashad was like, don't feed her because she'll keep coming back for more.
Yeah, and she already ate. Okay, but for real, this is too thick. I'm most likely not gonna eat this. I'm gonna make those wings. I can't do this. I don't like this much cheese. It's too cheesy.
Do you want to like be whatever and like put milk in it, like just like a dash of milk?
We can try. If I have to put this bitch back on the stove, I will.
I'm fine with it, so you can just pour me a little bit on here and I'm gonna let you have it.
And then this shit's with queso, never again.
You don't like it with queso?
I just think this thing is filled with queso. So I don't think it was smart to get, well, I don't like cheese like that, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Fix this to my liking.
So now we're adding half and half
And
to
this
it.
is
Rashad is unsatisfied with the thickness of this dip.
way too thick.
Back to square one. We put some oat milk in it too because we don't have any regular cow milk.
We don't drink cow milk.
We don't. It's not much thinner, so Marshad's gonna give up on our creation. How sad. But I don't know, I like it, so.
Yeah, I really just don't like cheese like that.
He's gonna make some air fried wings now. I actually want one. Are you gonna make the lemon pepper wing?
Mm-hmm.
I'll have like one. Guys, let me get some better lighting. We are done with today's cooking video. I should do more cooking videos because I cook a lot. I bake a lot. I'm gonna start doing baking with Demetrius, a series on my channel coming soon. Because I really bake like cookies and cupcakes and stuff. I don't really cook stuff like that. But comment down below what you guys will want me to bake / cook in future videos because I really enjoy doing cooking videos because I'm always cooking, so it's like, why not film it? I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time you're watching this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.